Today we're going to be going over why AMC will be going higher soon. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of your favorite stock at the moment, why it's your favorite stock at the moment, and also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys would like to start trading stocks and you want 2 free stocks that could be worth up to $1,850, then go ahead and get signed up with WeBull. And if you guys want to, get our crypto and stocks picks, then go ahead and get signed up with our private Discord through Patreon. Both of those links are going to be in the description. But without any further ado, let's get into our stock for today, AMC. The first thing I want to do is show you this article that I found on Reuters.com, which is AMC short sellers lost $512 million after Monday's rally. Now there was a pretty good rally on Monday, and we held that line pretty well today as well, but we'll get into that in the technical analysis. But here we go from Reuters. Investors shorting meme stock AMC are estimated to have lost about $512 million on Monday after a rally that sent cinema operators shares up more than 15%. By contrast, AMC short sellers suffered about $1.2 billion in market-to-market losses for the week to May 28th. When small-time traders on an online, obviously they're just talking about the squeeze that happened. And I know all you AMC, diehard fans out there, that this isn't the squeeze and that you want the synthetic shares to be exposed, and that's when the real squeeze will happen. But this is also a thing from Reuters. They don't like to speculate on that as much as some people on YouTube. AMC's were up 2% to $58 in pre-market trading, and the stock has surged up more than $2,500 this year. I just wanted to show this article because of just is showing off $500 million in losses for short sellers, and we all love to punish those short sellers here in the AMC stock community. Now here we are on Yahoo Finance. I just want to go over some of the financials and such, and we're sitting at about a $30 billion market cap right now, and the outlooks look good short term, mid term, and long term, and there's a bullish pattern detected from Yahoo Finance. So Yahoo Finance is actually on the AMC wave at this point, even at these $59 prices. Do they know something we don't about these synthetic shares? That's yet to be seen, but honestly, if we go over some of the earnings and stuff, obviously it's not that good, but that is their financial situation is getting a lot better right now because of this whole retail investor journey that we've been on, going from about $11 to $12 all the way up to $60. They were able to sell some more shares in order to get some money and actually start improving their theaters around the United States and other countries as well. Obviously, if we look at the financials here, it doesn't look good for AMC. But this isn't a fundamental value play. This is a let's hold out until these synthetic shares are exposed, and then also we have given AMC enough money in order for them to be operating without a hitch anymore, and they're gonna start doing a lot more in revenue, especially with movies such as Black Widow coming out, among other blockbuster movies coming out this year as well. Obviously analyst price targets are 16 and the low of 1, with an average of 5, but that is not that is based off their financials right now, which honestly aren't too good. Quarterly, we're at $148,000 or $148 million in total revenue right now. Obviously that's not that good. And quarterly for total assets, we saw more total liabilities than assets. And I just want to point out, AMC isn't a perfect company, but they have gotten, they did issue more shares in order to be able to pay for things and improve their theaters around, so their and pay off debt. So this balance sheet is going to get a lot better with this next earnings report that they have, but we have, that's yet to be seen, obviously. But here we are on our next, and I don't want everything I just said to just be FUD, like, oh no, it's fundamentally not good. Sure, AMC fundamentally is not in that great of shape at the moment financially. But this is not a fundamental financial analysis we're doing here. This is an analysis of how long can retail investors keep AMC afloat, and retail investors are doing a great thing with keeping AMC open and increasing revenue by just keep on buying it. But yeah, so here we are, Market Watch. Shares surge over 15% on AMC Day, and obviously, AMC Day was a day on Monday on Twitter. It was trending, and AMC was up at least 15% on the day. So yeah, super good. Shares at AMC have climbed 2,600%, obviously. But they rose 15% to close Monday at $57, just below June 2 peaks at $62.55. Now, $62.55 is a huge resistance that we're going to have to get through if we want to go to that next level. Obviously, the shorts with the synthetic shares that they are holding, allegedly, would be able to, help us out with that, because all we would have to do is set our limits very high, and then they would have to buy them, because, that's not a good thing to be doing. But, even if the synthetic shares aren't a thing, we also have just a lot of retail interest in AMC, and this could stay this way for a while. I do want to, warn you guys that AMC can go down just like GameStop went down. GameStop went all the way up to about $420, I believe, and then came right back down all the way to $40 a couple of days later. After the whole January debacle, but then it made its way back up to $200. So I don't want to be spreading FUD around that this could go down all the way back down to $5. But I would just like to say, be careful and take profits if you feel comfortable. Do whatever you feel comfortable with. I'm not going to ever tell you what to do with your money. Just do whatever you think is best and whatever you feel comfortable with. But yeah, AMC is looking great. Now we can go into WeBull, and here we go. So WeBull obviously had its initial run, right? This is on the 30-minute time interval. They went down. They went up on the RSI, on the MACD. Everything was trending great. They even had went back into $36, came back up to $70. We've been trending downwards for the past few days, and it was getting a little bit scary there where we were approaching this $36 mark again, but luckily AMC Day saved us, so we are now trending back up, and we peaked at about $64.70. That's a big resistance right now. If we can get past that, we could be going all the way back up to test this prior high of $71. Right now we did a bit more consolidating at the end of the day, and after hours we are down to $57. But we do have a pretty strong support at $55 right now. So strong support at $55, resistance at $64.70, and that's what we have to look for. We don't want the support to be broken at $55, and we want the resistance to be broken at $64.70. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for today's video. What are your guys' thoughts on AMC? Do you think it will continue to go higher, or do you guys think that this is the end of the road for AMC? Personally, I think that AMC could see a lot more gains in the future, especially if these synthetic shares are being held by and having to be paid back by short sellers. Honestly, I'm just happy that we got short sellers to have losses and think twice about trying to put stocks or companies such as AMC into the dirt. I'm hoping we taught them a lesson, but just remember, support at $55, resistance at $65. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys could please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, that would mean the world. But yeah, that's going to be it. My name is Zach. I'll see you in the next video.